it's Rebecca again. Here we are in our nature walk. Here's our really cool plant that I just spotted. It's got little buds on it, and it's got a little flower somewhere. Little flowers too. These little pink flowers. They're so cute. Ooh my, this leaf is very interesting. See? This leaf. It's all dried up because we haven't had rain in such a long time. Poor leaf. They must be ready to die. Look at this very interesting tree with all these leaves and how green they are. So, let's keep on walking.